If you get this right, manifesting all of your desire is no longer will be a problem. I promise. Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to talk to you about the resistance that might occur in your manifestation journey. Have you ever wanted to go for a job, creating more money, or probably expanding your business, manifesting a really great partner, and in the process, there were some moment, some inner whisper, probably it's too big for me. Probably I was not meant for this. Probably I do not have enough skill or resources. Whenever in your life you want to have something different than what you currently already have, resistance will occur in your life. It might happen because in past you had bad experience. Let's say you had a divorce and after 1 or 2 years you want to get into a relationship, but because you had bad past experience, that limits you from going for a new experience. At this point, I want you to remember any kind of change is not very easy for your brain. If you come from a family like me where no one pursued higher study, no one did a business, initially you may feel like, oh my God, no one did it before me. How am I going to do this? This extreme change that never happened in your lineage, but you are the one for some reason dreaming for it. First of all, if you can dream it, that means that desire is there for a reason. It is asking you to go for it. But you will also have to understand that in the process, you will also need to acknowledge everything that all the people before you did not acknowledge. So many times it happens because this experience is very new to you. Your generation, your bloodline is very new to your brain as well. It comes up with a lot of fear, a lot of resistance. Those mind chattering at the end of the day that tells you cannot probably make it, that's the voice of resistance. And it will show up as procrastination. You want to get the works done, but you end up scrolling through Instagram or Facebook throughout your day. Or you end up binge watching series after series. You know you want to build a business for yourself, but what you do at the end of the day, not upgrading your skill, not discussing your plan or taking action, but you just binge watch movies after movies. Because taking different action will not feel so easy. So it shows up as procrastination, self doubt, and limiting experience. I want you to understand this is a very natural process of manifestation. Manifesting anything, it can be making more money, getting a promotion, desirable job, making your health better, actually going out to gym every day to support your health, or picking better diet plan, or manifesting a better relationship coming out of a toxic one. Your brain is very much trained to function in the similarity that it has already experienced. If since childhood you have seen everyone taking the job, just doing the 9 to 5 and coming back home, eating, drinking, sleeping, and then getting up next day once again, not questioning life, not asking for more. You are the member in the family who has started to dream bigger, to build a business on their own. Any change will bring a lot of resistance, not only resistance of your mind, not only resistance of the belief system, because no one ever before you believed in the same, right? Let's say I have already gone for a trek. I know the way. So when I have to take you to the place, I know the path. But if I have never taken the path before, probably I will have to ask people. Probably I will get lost in the path many times. Or probably I will just have to hire someone who has been through the path multiple times, who has taken other people through that trek multiple times. When I decided after my studies that I do not want to take any job, but I want to build something on your own, there was not anyone I could look up to in my family. First of all, they were rural farmers. My father did a job. So I always had the example that this is the amount of money you are going to make in a month, and your salary is going to credited by the beginning of the month, and by the end of the month it's going to, you are going to run out of your fund, and then this cycle repeats. When I chose that this is not a pattern I want to get into, but I want to create a business for myself, there were many years I had to struggle, go here and there, looking for what can I do, following the trend, doing this and that, struggling, and then sitting for days and nights that I do not know how to do it. How come for some other people it came so easily, but I have all the issue? I end up with depression, anxiety, bipolar. I end up with uncertainty of the business. Some months I would make really good amount of money, and some months there were not so good income. If you are in a journey to create something different for yourself that no one in your generation did before, I am here to remind you, my sweetheart, although the reward is so heartwarming, so fulfilling, the journey may not come easily to you. Even if you hire a coach, even if you have someone to guide you, the shift has to be internal and is through acknowledging and addressing those resistance, those limiting beliefs. You are going to move mountains. Of course, you can go and look for support. You can do all the meditation technique. You can do all the visualization, journaling. I have found somatic exercise to be very helpful because it's not only in your mind, there is a lot that is stuck in your body. Your body remembers all the experience that probably you cannot remember of your life. So all the memories are stored there. Doing somatic exercise, that also helps. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it right now. Follow me all across all the social media platform. I am present on Instagram. I have a free Facebook group where I teach you how to resolve all of your trauma and make money, create wealth for yourself. I am attaching the link below. You can go and join there. Look for support. When the burden is too heavy for you to carry, you look for some help who can already pick you up from the place where you feel stuck. You can do it on your own, by the way. I tried to do things on my own, but it took me years. You can book a free consultation call with me. I will help you to see what are the problems that you are currently facing, what are the possibility that really lies ahead, and I will also take you through the process step by step. You can drop me an email. I am attaching the email ID also here. I want you to leave this video with one learning that resistance is very normal in the process. In fact, resistance is the reminder you are in the path of progress. When you have resistance, It can be any limiting belief. It can be procrastinating day by day. It can come in any form. Or you are constantly experiencing some external event happening and hampering you in the process, blocking your path. All of these are way of resistance showing up. You need to acknowledge and address it. And once you do that, you are going to open new doorways for yourself. You are guided. If there is any desire in your heart, it's sacred. Honor it. Go for it. I am here praying for you, backing you up. I will see you in the next video. Sending lots of love. You have got this.